power companies are still scrambling to get the lights back on for everyone. So let's take a look at Idaho.
I was just driving home from the School of Traditional Skills Summit. Josh Thomas asked me to help produce the summit here this week. On the way home, I drove through one of the most horrendous thunderstorms and windstorms that I've driven through in quite a while. You can see the siding on the side of my house, and my door just got all soaked. On the county road just down the street though, on my way home, I encountered this. That means no electricity here. The house is without power, and if you hear in the background, the neighbor's generator's running. The emergency light is on in the kitchen. This is the perfect opportunity to use my new battery bank I just got from LiTime. First, we gotta flip the main off, and then turn the solar power on. Next, we turn the inverter on, and we should be good to go. Batteries state of charge 100%. I left the little lights on underneath the microwave for just some ambient lighting in the house overnight. And then there was the refrigerator that was drawing some electricity. And most importantly, my 2 meat freezers were running overnight. I may have used a little bit of television and internet as well. The next morning, everything looked great. It looked like it was going to be a sunny day, and my batteries were starting out at 78% state of charge from the use overnight. I made my way over to the School of Traditional Skills headquarters for the summit. Apparently, my neighborhood wasn't the only one affected by the outage. Just made it back to the homestead, 5:24 p.m. From what I could tell, it's been a sunny day here in North Idaho, so let's go check how the solar panels did. Ooh, 100%. Nice. Being gone all day, basically the battery bank was merely powering my freezers, my refrigerator, like the stove clock, that kind of thing. So there wasn't a huge draw in the system, but the solar panels were sufficient enough with the sunlight we had today to recharge the bank fully. So that was nice. I just got home from the last day of the Traditional Skills Summit, and I am checking to see what the state of charge is on the batteries. 86%. Yesterday we were at 100% when I came home. I did leave one of the kitchen lights on though in the morning, and it looks like the contractors left light on the shop here. They poured this concrete slab here today. More on that in a future video. I don't know if they had any other electrical needs where they were drawing energy. Hold on a second. After recording this, I learned that that slab that was poured there, the contractors plugged in an electric cement mixer to help mix the cement, which probably put a little bit of burden on those batteries. I do know they were working in here today, pulling all the insulation from the ceiling out. We're gonna spray foam this for reasons I'll probably explain also in another video. But since they were working in here, surely they had these lights running all day too. Willow, you ready to go in? All right, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's been a great experience using the backup battery bank for my electrical needs for the house. There are still some people in my area that don't have electricity, and as soon as the power went out here, man, I just flipped the switch and I was up and running. I'm so blessed to have the battery bank I have from LiTime. I really do want to add a few more solar panels to the system. I think 4 panels, I'm a little solar light, especially since I have 4 48 volt 100 amp hour batteries. Probably should add a little bit more in the panel area. But it is time to go back on grid. It's been 2 days. It's been great, but if I want to run the dryer or the dishwasher, I need a little bit of grid power.